This creamy blended soup is a snap to put together, especially if you buy 2-pound bags of broccoli florets already prepared. Your ingredients are broccoli, onion, garlic, dried thyme, nutmeg, vegetable or chicken stock, half and half, salt and pepper to taste, and if you like, croutons to serve. So peel your onion and chop it up roughly. Put it in the pot. Peel the garlic and just trim the ends off. Put the broccoli, the onion, the garlic, thyme, and nutmeg in a large stock pot and cover it with the stock. Give it a little stir and bring it to a boil over high heat. Then turn down the heat, cover it, and continue to cook for about 10 minutes until the vegetables are soft but not mushy. Blend it in a blender or use an immersion blender. Then rinse out your pot and return the blended soup to the pot. Stir in the half and half and season to taste with salt and pepper. Reheat until hot and serve with the croutons or with a creme fraiche if you like it. So I hope you found that helpful. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel.